morning, it's Richard Williams here from Williams Crawford. So back to work on Monday. We've been to Castle Combe Stage Rally, had a fantastic weekend. Little tiniest bit of readjustment to the car. Managed to take the bottom of the front bumper off because there were a couple of jumps out towards the back of the circuit. So they use a combination of the circuit itself and feeder roads. So there's all sorts of jumps, surfaces, bits and bobs, loads of footage on YouTube. Little bit of tyre rub coming through some of the chicanes. You can see it on the wheels and the arches, but essentially repairable. Always possibly ran it a little bit low in the front, so we'll be readjusting that. But car survived beautifully, worked excellent all day, brakes going, gearbox, engine, superb. We were seeded 45, so out of 70 competitors, seeded 45. After the end of day one, we were up to 21st, and we ended up finished 17th overall. So a lot of quick guys ahead of us. Very, very pleased with my performance. Also, big shout out to Tim Fillingham, co-driver, keeps me calm, puts up with me bad-temperedness, and keeps us going to the finish. So also John Fordy, excellent result, took his Evil 6 or 7, I believe, and had a second in class. So I'm a bit jealous of his trophy, but he did an excellent job. Also Dave Moore, exceptional, his escort, got it to the end, and all enjoyed our weekend. So last thank you to Bath Motor Club, and actually very last thank you to Williams Crawford for everyone in the department. Keep me car running, and we'll be now putting it back together. Excellent job, lads. Thank you very much.